I have those two shelves that need to be cleaned off big time. What's that? It's like a gynecology freaking. I brought this from the office. Lube and a and a speculum. Whatever. Alright. So my package never came. Yeah, it tried to come. Let me go look out there. Maybe they left it. I got my morning lemonade. It's almost 12. I said if I get in the car now, I can go to the meeting. But I need to take a nap and go to the post office. So, what's this? Oh, I open it. Where's these? Like extra bees? What? Let's see if the package is not there. My car's in the street. It feels weird having my car in the street. Alright, so it's soda I am. And I'm going to ship it today. And I don't want to take a shower, so I'm just still jump in the shower. And we ran out of like female products. So the other person in the house that uses them. There's an ant on Cynthia. What the heck? This is getting to be like fighting. The packages get left empty. And I usually ignore it because it's like I'm normal. Too much information. They're not used that much. So then you're like, oh, I should have everything. And so one was my fault. The light day liners were in a box that looked like regular pads. I have them in Ziploc bags to keep them clean, keep bugs off of them, and keep them from getting wet in the bathroom because we don't have like any drawers in there. We're the same upstairs next to the toilet. There is nothing but what you put in the bathroom besides the toilet and the shower and the towel rack. And I'm going to upload a video making a plan to get out of my own head. So that one, I'm wearing that tank top. Alright, so I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how. I think this is sold. I don't know how this is going to get shipped. Literally do not know because these envelopes I don't think are wide enough. This might be a shipping nightmare. So that video, I believe, was from yesterday. I know it's from yesterday. Yeah, this is way not going to fit. I just threw away a big envelope, too. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to ship this. Alright, so yesterday's videos, I have the 19th, that's today, 45 minutes, 27 minutes. Excuse me, I don't know. I'm just posting. I don't even know. I have little sticky notes sometimes that says, talked about 1, 2, and 3, this, and this. I don't know. Didn't put the date on it, didn't put the time, so I can't match them up with anything. And that's why I don't need sticky notes anymore. So I'll say, Friday. Oh, Friday. I was saying, my mind said Friday before going out, so it would have been Tuesday before going out for meeting and work. I'm not sure, but I know that I had been in my 4 walls in my mind for a couple days. So it was getting toward breaking point. What a day. Alright, so I'll just say day in the life of Nina. Okay. So I feel really sick. I feel like I have a fever. My throat hurts. It feels like all the stuff I feel like when I don't sleep. So we're going to take a different webpage and go to eBay. This is my concern. I have no idea how to ship this, so let me think. I think what I'm going to do is get an envelope and I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to go upstairs and get an envelope. There's a bubble mailer. I don't really need a bubble mailer. Let me go upstairs and get a big envelope. You know, their Tyvek envelopes are really good size. And I'm going to have to double up either. I might use this. This isn't. I need cardboard. I don't want to be that person that's like, dude, like, that person. God, I just cut myself on this. That person used a USPS box. This is definitely going to be too small. It's one of my daughter's drawings. TH1 got inflammation. Oh, I think this is this immunology. These notes would probably be the gold of all of my IGA. This would probably be the gold. Why are there always, I guess, no sisters on? Where's my doll? Immunology 2010. This would be probably the gold of all of my notes. Because she did color code, she wrote it. She goes, you're going to be mad that I don't print the notes. And you're going to, exam 1, answer C. Didn't have any friends under me, so she passed this on to you. I was like, shh, shh. You know they chase it questions anyway, guys. Forget what I said. MHC, the hot dog. She said it's going to be, I like this way, right brain thinking. She goes, you're going to use colors, you're going to write the notes during class. And you're going to be mad that you don't just have a printout of notes to just flip through to study for tests. She goes, but in 4 years from now, or in 2 to 4 years from, 2 years and 4 years from now, when you're taking your 2 sets of board exams, you're going to know this stuff and be like, oh my god, I still know it. I learned it and I know it. And that's what that teacher had said. They made she's a hot dog. I have a hard time getting rid of this. I have probably not touched it since the last date on here. Because I don't even remember studying my notes. What people did is they typed them up the years before. And they made them into like PDFs or Word documents. That's how they got around that so that they didn't have to take notes of other people. So, but for me, I passed my boards. Thank you, Dr. Zwicky. Let me go get an envelope. There might be an envelope down here. What I'm looking for is a paper envelope. I kind of want a plasticky one. Am I even filming? Is this thing on? Oh my gosh. So all these shelves had been kind of, if you can see the top one's somewhat organized, it's overcrowded. These had been like kind of cleaned up. And what had happened was that I had, I think the kids got into some of the stuff. That one I cleaned, but if it's like, oh, I'm going to go through one shelf at a time and pull out books and stuff that I want to sell or throw away or donate, and then I do something, and then somebody's looking for something, and then you come home sometimes, and like all the books are on the floor, and you're like, did they just fall? So that shelf there, the second from the bottom is the floor. That one falls down. This one someone gave us. They actually drove it over here from my daycare. They gave us a bunch of junk. They said it's better having the stuff on the ground. And this one, oh, fancy. Hello?
Hi, this is Erica. I'm an employment specialist on a and I do show here that you were recently on one of our job sites. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I'm not sure that I was on any job sites recently. They did the same thing yesterday. It's like, I know I was on the job site, but I wasn't on theirs. The thing is, they would be like, what they're looking for is they would be like, you're on a, I think those are recordings anyway. Alright. Alright. Sidetracked. We're doing eBay right now. Alright, let's just look over here. Anyways, I had cleaned it, but then it got messy, and so now you just saw me throw that in the trash. This is way too big, but I have some big books. I did move some of these other packaging supplies. One of the boxes would be perfect. And so this would be, you're not supposed to use the USPS packaging to ship stuff priority that's not priority, or use their packaging. This is almost like the perfect size to help keep it from getting bent. I'm about to go get a cereal box. This is like the perfect size, but I don't want to send that $6. I would feel shady using this. This is torn and used. I rather stick one of these in an envelope and stick it in one of these, or it's already like this. All this is good. If I stuck it in a poly bag and shipped it, it would be so cheap. But all the paper that I want to put in there is going to make it more and more expensive. If I went like this, and let's say non-sterile, there's some alcohol swabs. Oh, there's more top stuff. If I say, hold on. It was frozen. I was like, Mia's in the house. So I have been putting my, I don't know what I did on Indeed or LinkedIn, but on Indeed I put my phone number and my email. I think this is the one for sale. I should probably check that out. And so I've been getting those spam calls and a ton of emails. I start getting less spam, like 5 a week. And then some of those would be actually emails that I was signed up. They just sent an excessive amount. And then all of a sudden it went to, the other day I looked, I hadn't been on there, 21 spam. I'm like, what the heck? And I have anything from Publishers Clearinghouse to, what's the other ones? You had applied for a job on our job site. Click on this link to borrow money. Or lending for Cosmo, are you out of water? I feel like he's out of water. He is really spastic. Guys, sometimes I want to stay downstairs and just chill. It doesn't fit in the envelope. This is gonna be something. It doesn't fit in the envelope. So I'm gonna have to use, you see that? Let's see if we have a poly bag in here. Alright, so do your inventory. I throw away a lot of envelopes. I don't want to pull. I have not thrown my trash out. Here's a nice X-ray film, do not bend. This is like the perfect size envelope, but look at it. It's already bent. So stupid. Mia, why did you bend that? They didn't tell me how much they paid. So this is Mia on a day when everything was up like 21 hours yesterday. It'll fit in there. This is the envelope I need. I need to go to a imaging place and ask them, please can I buy one of your envelopes? It's the perfect size. Should I use this? My daughter's going to be careful about using used junk. So, that's a perfect size. Here's another used. So we're going to get rid of it. This is going to be trash. There's nothing in it. It's going to be trash. Here is this has not been used, but it's used. Something was in there. I'm gonna throw it away. The old receipt. Lego. 90 days. Pillow throw. Zebra rug. What happened to that rug? This is trash. Some old wrapping paper. It's actually not really used. It's all wrapping paper and an old wrinkled up envelope. And this bag has a bunch of hair and I gotta let it go. This Holly, this is a bag for pillows. I could have used that one day actually. Some old gloves. Here's like a zipper bag. Here's 2 old boxes. That one's actually for a record. And here are the rest of the envelopes. Well, that's where my envelopes are. I was looking for those. I'm just gonna be stupid. Recycle this one. Or reuse that one. I forgot I had these pillow ones because I had sometimes sell stuff. I need to shrink it down. So none of this is doing me any good. These are not doing me any good. Unless because they're too small. Stick it in here. These are both used. This is so bad, guys. You always got to think about. Well, Craigslist Hunter calls himself Craigslist. He will tell you to dumpster dive for your packaging materials. And I'm usually dumping my extra packaging materials into the dumpster. So this envelope I brought from upstairs, this is an old, what do you call it? So this doesn't even fit in there. File folder for medical. Why is the last one like weird, sticking out more than the others? So between that one, this is the perfect size. She didn't pay shipping. That's the perfect size. This one's too small. Stick that in there. I've been throwing these things away. That was from the office. I have a ton of those in the office. So anybody needs those? And then, so the one thing I was thinking was taking, I almost would have used this one, but it's all bent up. Right on it where it's supposed to not bend. The only thing that I'm thinking right now is that I cut up a cereal box or cardboard box, tape it together, and throw it in a poly bag. But that's going to cost me so much. And she only paid like $5 for this. So I have, this looks like a big poly bag. I don't want to unfold it because it's going to get wrinkled. A big poly bag, stretch wrap, pen plus gear brand, this trash. Here is small poly bags. So I just, ooh, eBay sticker. Cha-ching! I heard if you use these stickers, they're going to charge you like $10. I don't know if that's true. Remember, we don't need this bag. Actually, we had poly bags in there. Let's keep the poly bags in there. I just got some eBay poly bags that were big. It's like a bag within a bag, and it's like tripping me out. Guys, you don't need to fight. What is the reason to fight right now? What is the reason to fight? You know, seriously, guys. I mean, there's no food in there. You have grass. I'll check your water bottle in a minute. I think I have baby bird. I think I have this size in the eBay logo bag. Oh, this is shady as heck. What am I gonna do? Did I get eBay or did I get a poly bag or did I get a? Did I get a hatted bag? So if I go like this and go like this and slap the sticker on there with the thing. But this is like 10 ounces. This bag's getting a hole in it. I'm just going to use it. Sometimes I hoard the bags. Here's another bag. So that should go. I wouldn't have noticed that smaller bag in there. That should go in with the same size. So that's good to know. Now it looks like I only have one more of these. The big ones I got at the UPS store. You can use the AAA. So it looks like I only have 2 of these left. One of them's looking like it's getting a hole. This is from theboxery.com, the Boxery, New York. So I have 2 of these left. And it's like, those are the little ones. And then so small, medium, large. Before I got the eBay branded stuff, I had gotten some of the other things. I was going to get rid of my eBay stuff. I was going to do just a couple. Beginners pack, what's this for? I was going to do like a beginner's package where I had about 5 bags, a couple of pieces of tissue paper, and a couple, like 3 stickers. And I put that in for like $10. The shipping would probably be a little ridiculous. You put paper in there. $10, like, say about $4 for shipping, and like what, $75 to $1.25 average for each thing. Because if you go to the store and buy one poly bag or one, you buy the paper ones, they're cheaper. The paper is more expensive to ship when you think about it. If you go to Winco, you can get those stuck or whatever. So this is cheesy. I don't want the tabs to get bent, is my problem right now. And I don't want to stick it in a priority. I don't like when other people stick. If this was used, and it was clearly used, that's a different story. So I'm looking on the shelf or something. You know what? You know what I bet we have? I bet you in one of these photographs, I wonder if they have cardboard. They do. What do you guys think? Does this look like the perfect size? It is. Actually, it's not. It's small. It's almost the perfect size. I have photographs of the children. Let's see what they are. Just a whole bunch of photographs. Someone said get rid of all your pictures. Just, my kids are always really musty. Just put them in the scanner. So we apparently, oh yeah, she took her hair out. I said, can you get a picture of all that hair? These are Walmart. We're supposed to go once a month and get a free one, and then they stopped doing it, and we never did it. Someone said to scan everything. So apparently sometimes we think we have all of these relatives that we're going to send all these pictures to, and I would buy hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of pictures. Well, I did it like a few times. One set we never got, and they were the best ones of my kids when they were little. And the reason being that when my kids were really little, when my mom saw my cousin baby. This one is from daycare. That one's cute. That looks like I printed it myself. Feels like I did. I have no idea when this is from or whose tree this is. So we're going to get rid of this container. These ones were pretty decent from Walmart when they were doing that. But the customer service was really bad. And then I said it was bad, but they were training a new person. And I didn't see the new person. Oh my God. I still have this? How do I still have this? What the? Oh my God. That's when I had my bangs. It doesn't even look like me. This is the thing about being black. The camera does not auto-adjust for your skin color. And especially I'm wearing all white. It's clearer for me to do that. I could see it a lot better looking at the computer than I can looking at it. Oh my God, that's little Mia. I look like an Indian kid. I could see it a lot better on the computer. That's crazy. From September 1987 to October 13th, Hello. It's my birthday. Membership number 721. Card expired September 30th, 1987. I don't ever remember getting another card. The base closed in 90. It said it was online. It says 93, but I thought it closed in 94. Or at least all the people I knew left in 94. Right when we graduated. Maybe they stayed for graduation. So what's on the shelf is a nice big envelope. It's a package to take home. I feel Mexican right now. And a piece of cardboard. And all these are like pictures, right? I was like, God, I don't even have like a school, like a class picture. My kids don't care. This is only a class picture. My kids don't care about these pictures. My neighbors think it's haram. They don't even they have their kids have a school ID. These are all pictures. I had them all in a crate in the closet, and these people took them out of the crate. And I don't know how they end up on the shelf. I do have a couple photo albums. Here. I don't know what that is. Those are all pictures. I think that's just a disc because I don't print them up for you anymore. That was intense. Okay. That's what I'm gonna let it go, guys. I'm just gonna stick it in here with some tape. I don't even know if this is I gotta refresh. I don't even know if this is the right product because I had so many. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Get my computer to work. My house is a mess. I am delirious. I had like I was up for like 22 hours. And then I slept for like 3. Like from like 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. I slept for 4 hours. Oh my God, I'm going to bed. I'm just going to post office tomorrow. I don't even care. Wait, is that rude? I care. I want to send it today, but I gotta take a nap. Alright, my computer's frozen. I don't even know if I'm recording. So, don't just stand there. Let's get to it. What the heck is going on? I'm gonna grab some tape. I gotta sell this Masters of the Universe stuff. I'm gonna take some tape to this and just tape it to the thing. This is gonna weigh a pretty penny here for me. It might actually weigh like $5. But if it weighs more than $5, it's corded that bag that I just showed you in the first place. That I don't even know if this is the product that's sold. So that envelope with that piece of cardboard has been sitting on the shelf for all of these years. I'm right behind you on the scale. And I've never actually threw it away. This is funny. Hilarious. Throwing it right there doesn't seem like a good idea. Computer's frozen. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is just stick this in here, like so. You never know. Life is like a box of chocolates. The big guinea pig's wallowing in the grass. See, he knows there's some nutrition in that. Alright, dear Lord. I am only off my rocker right now because I must have been late one day. Oh, you know why this sold before 9 o'clock. Why didn't I not charge shipping? Okay. Why? Alright, so this looks like the same thing with tabs and folders. 5. I counted 5, right? Let's just let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm about to give her all of them the ones I have in my house. I'm about to be like, ma'am, this is a free gift. I have like a big stack of these now. I've been throwing them away as a mix match. This is the random stuff that I pull out of my house. That I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on this stuff. Oh yeah, this is a very. I meant to put that. That's early 2001 or 2002. That's one of the earliest pictures I have of my son. I needed some paper. I'm gonna grab one. I usually grab 2 little pieces of paper. This is my son. Okay. 6.2. You could get on it. Is it hailing? Is that what that noise is? Oh man, actually there's snow mix. I want Ellis at her meteorology. She's at the gorge. There's big hail. DJ, that's dangerous. That's big hail. Oh my god. Cover up the cars.
Crazy.
That's like
It's like
marble size. From here, it looks like marble size. Oh my god, it's bouncing off your hair. Okay, 6.4, so 7 ounces. We're going to take the computer outside. Oh my gosh, it's cold with the door wide open like that. What in the world? What? Wait, leave the door open. I'm filming. From here, it looks like it's marbles and 7 ounces. Remember that. Go outside. Oh my god, the floor is all wet. This is why our house is wet. Why is that cup out here?
Make it nice.
Oh, I let you use it, didn't I? I didn't know you were going to leave it out there, not that it matters. You actually use that cup. Well, we could sell that on eBay.
You're cold.
eBay or YouTube asked me if I have minors in my video, but I think it's okay because I'm your mom. Oh my gosh. I can't sit. It's so cold. Let's go to the front. Let's go to the front. My package never got. Pizza Angel, please come to me. It's not hailing out front. No, it's somebody out there. Hold on.
I'd be such a nerd.
Because I'm like, not really. We're both in our pajamas.
I don't know.
Like, what? There's people that have. But we gotta be the two that stay up all night. We're in pajamas all day. You want to go out front, do you? Alright. Your boots are here. You feel like getting the mail?
Sure.
You feel like getting the mail? Oh, come on.
My ID card is supposed to be coming.
Go check the mail. Maybe it's there. Wink, wink. Here.
No.
Number 7 on the left.
That's too long. I'm in pajamas. You say yourself.
Yeah, but at least you're warm. I'm wearing.
This is I'm warm.
Actually, it looks kind of dangerous. I think it looks dangerous.
Dark.
We should take a picture for Ella. I'm going to end this video and get the shipping for tomorrow morning so that I can actually make myself sleep today. I'm coming with